Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. This is going to be a quick video. I'm outside because there's some things that I want to say that I want to make sure that my staff doesn't hear. Not that I hide anything from them, but this is going to be a crazy thing that I'm going to talk to you about. I'm outside. Weather's getting good. This is real quick. We always had this issue on my street. I own a building on a main street, and then off to the side, for some reason, people not from this community, they park on the side there and they wait for dealers to bring them whatever they're bringing them. And I have to, every year for the last 8 years since I've owned this building, have to call the police. They'll sit right here on the corner, and they will stop it, and then it'll go away, and then it starts all over again at this time of the year the next year. So that's that. The other thing is, I'm gonna talk about where I need you to subscribe, because the video that's going to be coming is going to show you how you can materialize and make money come for yourself. I'm not charging nothing. I'm going to tell you what had happened to me. This is something that happened to me, and it happened yesterday, and on 3/2/2021. I had when COVID hit, one of my businesses went from 65,000 a month all the way down to where I think I was just not even making the expenses. Just, I didn't want to lay off any workers from that business, and I was probably losing about $10,000 or $15,000 a month for 8 months in a row. And but I did something, and I'm going to tell you what I did, and it made a feeling come through my body, and then something that happened with income. And I believe that if I can show you how to do this, you will make your financial stuff will turn around, because there's something that happened. I can't even express it right now to you. I'm going to make a video to go step by step, and I want you to do it. So subscribe. I'm only going to send that video to subscribers, only to subscribers, because people that are not subscribers, they're not linked, they're not attached to the channel, and I don't think that they're believers. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, you better do it, because that video is coming and you're going to want to see it. Next thing is, which is our content for today, is I want to get into what to do if a debt collector refuses to validate the debt that they claim you owe, and they take you to court with a summons. This is a very simple and easy solution, but it doesn't make the debt go away. But I'm going to tell you what you do. If they keep disregarding your debt validation, you sent it certified, they disregard it, they escalate it and get a court summons, take you to court. When you go to court, you cannot walk in there and say that you did not owe the money. You can't walk in there and say you did not owe the money. And we were just talking with a client today, and they said, when I go to court, the judge is going to say, they're not going to go for this debt is not mine and all that. And I told them, you watch my videos, you listen to what my staff tells you, you listen to what I tell you. You can't go into court saying that you don't owe something when they got your signature. Now, if it's a third-party debt collector, you have a right to ask for everything for them to prove, to validate. So what you would do is you would ask the judge, number one, you would show them that you sent them a debt validation and they disregarded it. Number two, you would ask for all of the statements, everything with your payments, all of the history, not just some statements that they give you, everything, the payments and credits, everything that you've made for the whole history of that account, because you don't recall the amount that they're claiming that you owe. You have a right to get that. This is what usually happens, though, in these types of deals, is that when they don't respond, when it's a third-party debt collector and they don't respond to your debt validation and they take you to court, what they're hoping is that you just don't show up. That's what they're hoping. And then number two, if you show up, they hope that you don't ask for the right thing. So when you show up and you ask for the right thing, they're going to usually say either we want more time to get the information, or we're going to dismiss it because we can't get that information, which sometimes they can't because they sell the debts in big packages. If they ask for more time, you have your debt validation letter and the proof that you gave them time to get that information and to respond. So you would ask for a dismissal of the case and you would have legitimate grounds. Now, I cannot give anyone legal advice. I cannot give anyone legal advice on that. I'm just telling you what I would do and what has worked for other people. So that's what you do. So please don't give up when you have a debt collector that will not respond to your debt validations. All you have to do is follow the steps that I told you to do in this video. And then if you don't have a letter for debt validation, I have a free letter that I give to people. Yes, you can make a donation. I would really appreciate that because this letter can save you from paying thousands of dollars to a debt collector. Get the debt validation letter. The link is below this video. Use that letter. Most of the time they will respond. If they don't, they try to escalate it and take it to court. You have proof of what you asked for, and all you have to do is go line by line. This is what I asked for, Judge, and they didn't provide it. And you will most likely get a dismissal or, worst case scenario, a very favorable settlement offer from them. So this is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Thank you for your time. Make sure that you subscribe. If you need help with your credit, visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Make sure that you click the video, what makes us different. Watch the video, what makes us different. And if you can follow that process, we invite you to become a customer. If you don't have your credit reports, you need to know what's on your credit reports. That will also help you with your debt validation process. When you can see the comments and see what the debt collection company is saying, see what the original creditor is saying. Go to my website, your3scores.com, download those, download your free reports, look at it, so you at least know exactly what they're looking at, because they're looking right at your credit reports to see how you're living your life, and you can see exactly what they're putting on the comments. So thanks again. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you.